Hello, Tim Cole here from Angel ECU. Today, I would like to introduce you to our latest ECU. This is our new model, the EX ECU. This ECU was designed to be a cost-effective alternative to our high-end ECU, the Model FX. This model ECU, the EX, was designed as a modular type of system that in its most basic form is very affordable, yet delivers significant features and flexibility. We have designed various optional expansion modules for the EX, some that are available now, and some that will soon be available, that allow you to expand the capabilities of this ECU as your needs may require or change. The EX is compact in size and very lightweight. It can be used as a desktop system, or it could also be mounted on a wheelchair and used as a mobile solution for your control needs. In its most basic form, the EX ECU can send infrared commands as well as X10 power line carrier commands, so you can control lights, fans, door access, nurse call, and audio and video devices. The EX learns infrared commands from your existing remote controls, so there is no need to worry about compatibility issues with devices that you may purchase in the future. Some of the optional features would include telephone, bed control, remote display, and climate control. Now, at this point in time, the EX ECU is a switch-activated ECU. You can connect a wide variety of switch input devices that would allow a quadriplegic to control this ECU quickly and easily. Some types would include sip and puff switches, chin switches, tongue switches, tilt switches, head switches, twitch switches, and others. There are many types available. We are also working on a voice recognition module for the EX that will be available in the near future. So check with us from time to time, because depending on when you actually view this video, the voice recognition module may already be available. I have a sip and puff switch here, which is an air pressure activated switch. I'm going to use it to give you a demonstration shortly. The EX provides high quality voice prompt feedback to guide the user through the various menus. There will soon be an optional remote display module available that will allow you to operate the unit silently by simply reading the display. The display module will mount on a gooseneck so it can be easily positioned in front of you while in your bed, your favorite chair, or perhaps even on your wheelchair. There is an optional telephone module, the EXTEL, that provides basic telephone features like speakerphone, speed dialing, redial, and the ability to easily answer incoming phone calls. In fact, no matter what menu you may be in at the time that the telephone rings, you can simply apply any input signal to answer the phone. The menu structure is flexible and easily programmed to control whatever devices that you want and in the order that you would like them to be in the menu rotation. Programming the ECU is accomplished by temporarily connecting a standard PS2 keyboard to the ECU and just pressing a few keys to set up the menu the way you want. I will give you a quick demonstration of this so you can see how easy it is to do. The EX allows you to add up to 10 component menus, such as a TV menu, a DVD menu, a cable box, etc. There are 22 different lamp styles to choose from when you add a lamp to the menu. The idea is to choose the lamp style that matches the lamp that you wish to control. Each lamp style has its own voice prompt, so you will be sure which lamp it is that you are about to turn on. For our demonstration here, we will program a telephone menu, a DVD menu, a TV menu, and a bedside lamp, just so you can see how easy it is to do. So in order to program the ECU, all you need to do is connect the keyboard to the port on the rear panel. You press the escape key to enter programming mode. You can press the F1 key for some help. We have assigned a 2-digit index number to every type of device that you could possibly control with the ECU. So all you have to do is reference the codes for the devices that you wish to add into the menu rotation. So enter programming by pressing the escape key.
Programming mode. Press F1 for help.
You can press the F1 key for some help.
If I ask you a question, press Y to indicate yes or N to indicate no. Press the F4 key to end your programming session. Press 1 to review the menu. Press 2 to add a menu component. Press 3 to program speed dial numbers. Press 4 to learn infrared commands. Press 9 to delete the menu configuration.
Okay, so press 2 to add a menu component.
Enter the 2-digit index number that represents the component you wish to add to the menu.
The code for the telephone menu is 40.
Telephone. Do you wish to continue? A telephone has been added to the menu structure. Programming mode. Enter the 2-digit index number that represents the component you wish to add to the menu.
The DVD is 31.
DVD menu. Do you wish to continue? A DVD menu has been added to the menu structure. Programming mode.
We're going to add a TV. That code is 36, but it's not necessary to wait for the voice prompt to finish playing before you continue programming. You don't want to go too fast, but...
Enter the 2-digit TV menu. Do you wish... A TV menu has been added to the menu structure. Programming mode.
Next we'll add a bedside lamp.
Enter the 2-digit index number. Bedside lamp. Do you wish to continue?
Yes.
Enter the desired house code.
The X10 house code. We're going to use A for the house code.
Enter the unit code.
We'll use 02 for the unit code.
A bedside lamp has been added to the menu structure. Programming mode.
And we're done. You can press the 1 key to review the menu.
Reviewing the menu. Telephone, DVD, TV, bedside lamp. End of menu items. Programming mode.
Then you'd press F4 to exit the programming mode.
End of programming session. Entering run mode. Main menu.
Learning the infrared commands to control a device like a DVD player is also pretty easy. Just enter the programming mode and press the number 4 key to learn the infrared commands. You will need to point your device's remote control directly into the sensor window at the front panel of the EX. You want your remote control to be about 4 to 6 inches away from the front of the EX, but be sure to line up the remote control so that it points straight into the sensor window when you press a button. Notice that the yellow LED on the front panel will light steadily when the unit is ready for you to send the command. Okay, so now let's learn the infrared commands for our DVD menu. We're going to enter programming by pressing Escape.
Programming mode. Press F1 for help.
We're going to press the 4 key to learn infrared commands.
Would you like to learn the infrared commands for the DVD menu?
Yes.
Okay. A sample is needed to calculate the carrier frequency. Point the remote control towards the sensor and press the button. Okay, I'm ready to learn the command now. Power. Press the button now. Got it. Press mute. Press the button now.
Okay, so mute and volume up and volume down are functions that are in the DVD menu. However, most DVD players do not offer volume up and down and mute functions. The reason why these commands are actually in the menu is so that you can program the commands for the TV in the DVD menu or possibly a receiver amplifier. This way you don't have to leave the DVD menu to adjust the volume up and down. Since we don't have a mute command to learn from our remote control, we're going to press the S key to skip the command.
Press volume up.
We're going to skip volume up and volume down.
Press volume down. Press stop.
Okay, stop.
Got it. Press play. Got it. Press pause. Got it. Press next track. Got it. Press previous track. Got it. Press menu. Got it. Press exit. Got it. Press up. Got it. Press down. Got it. Press left. Got it. Press right. Got it. Press enter. Got it. Press F1.
F1 and F2 are functions in every component menu, and they're just a generic slot that you can program whatever function that you would like off of your remote control. This allows you to program something that we did not plan for in the menu. So you have two slots, F1 and F2. We're going to skip those commands.
Press F2. Okay, we're finished with this remote control. Programming mode.
F4 to exit programming.
End of programming session. Entering run mode. Main menu.
And that's it. You have learned the infrared commands for the DVD menu. In order to control the DVD player, you will need to connect an infrared blaster, like this one, to the port on the rear panel of the EX. And you will need to position the blaster so that it has a clear view of the DVD player. You can program up to 8 telephone speed dial numbers into the EX, and of course, you can also dial any random number that you wish at any time. To program the speed dial numbers into the system, you enter system programming by pressing the escape key. Then you press the number 3 key. The system will prompt you to enter the index number of the speed dial number. So there are 8 numbers you can store. You would enter a digit between 1 and 8. Then you would enter the telephone number that you wish to save in the system memory. Enter programming by hitting the escape key.
Programming mode. Press F1 for help.
3 to program speed dial numbers.
Speed dial. Do you wish to continue?
Yes.
Enter index number.
This would be the digit 1 through 8. We're going to use 1.
Enter the digits to dial. Press enter to complete the sequence. Okay. 8, 3, 4, 1, 9, 8, 9. Do you wish to continue?
No, because we're done.
Programming mode.
And that's it.
End of programming session. Entering run mode. Main menu.
And by the way, the menu configuration and any speed dial numbers that you save are stored in flash memory, so there's no need to worry about power failures because you won't lose any information. Everything will still be intact after the system reboots. And that's it. You have programmed the speed dial numbers. So now that we have programmed the menu configuration for our demonstration, let's plug in the sip and puff switch and we'll take some of these menus for a test drive. Okay, so I have my sip and puff switch connected and we're going to take a look at the menu that we created for our demonstration. Our menu only has 4 items on it. I'm sure that your menu would be considerably different having the devices that you wish to control. Notice the lamp up in the upper right corner there. That's going to be our bedside lamp. Now let's take a listen and see what happens. When there's no input for an extended period, the unit goes into kind of an idle mode. So right now, if we give it any switch input, either a sip or a puff, we're going to wake it up and it will take us to the main menu.
Main menu. Telephone.
This is what we have. At the top of the menu rotation, we have telephone. Now, every time that I sip, we're actually going to advance through the items that are in the menu.
DVD. TV. Bedside lamp. Main menu.
Now we're back at the menu rotation. So the bedside lamp happens to be the 4th item on the menu. I could go there one step at a time if I wanted to, but if I happen to know that the bedside lamp is the 4th item down the menu, I could just sip 4 times and I would be there.
Bedside lamp.
And a puff to turn it on.
On. Main menu.
Now if I wanted to turn it off, I have to go 4 times down the menu.
Bedside lamp.
And a puff to turn it off.
Off. Main menu.
Okay, so once again, advancing through the menu.
Telephone.
Every time I sip.
DVD. TV. Bedside lamp. Main menu.
And then back to the top of the menu rotation, so it circles around. So if I wanted to go into the telephone menu, I would just advance to the first item on the menu, which is telephone.
Telephone.
And then I would puff to enter the telephone menu.
You are entering the telephone menu. Exit menu.
Let's take a look and see what items are on the telephone menu.
Redial. Dial 911.
dial 0. Join a call. Dial a number. Speed dial 1. Speed dial 2. Speed dial 3. Speed dial 4. Speed dial 5. Speed dial 6. Speed dial 7. Speed dial 8. Exit menu.
Okay, and we're back to the top of the menu rotation, but we're still inside the telephone menu. If we wanted to leave the telephone menu, we would just apply a puff. Since we're on exit menu right now, if we applied a puff, we would be leaving the telephone menu.
You are leaving the telephone menu.
Main menu.
Now we're back to the main menu.
Telephone. DVD.
Let's enter the DVD menu.
You are entering the DVD menu.
Exit menu.
And these items contain
Power. Mute. Volume up. Volume down. Stop. Play. Pause. Next track. Previous track. Menu. Exit. Down. Left. Right. Enter. F1. F2. Exit menu. Main menu. Telephone. DVD. TV.
You are entering the TV menu.
Exit menu. Power.
So that's it for now. I hope you've enjoyed this product overview and that you would consider Angel ECU for your environmental control needs. Don't forget that you can look us up on the web at www.angelecu.com. Thanks so much for watching.